Asher,
I guessed right.
you feel better?
Yeah.
Okay,
Good
good.
at this game.
Okay, who's next?
Thomas.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Asher.
Do you know what the
Asher,
game
go
is,
first.
sweetheart?
Asher, go first.
What?
listen to your dad.
What are we doing?
You get the game, yeah.
Okay.
What
He
are
wants to
two
go
truths and one lie?
You
Okay.
say two things
Um,
about yourself that are true and one thing that's not true, and we all try to guess which is which.
When I was fishing, I walked into
You walked into a what?
Use big,
When I was-
use big words so we can hear you, even though you're feeling
When I was
shy.
ice fishing, I walked and didn't know, and then I stepped in one of the ice holes. Oh.
In an ice hole?
Uh-huh. I was like,
Okay, now you have to do so you
Two
have
more
to do two
things.
that are true and then one that's not true.
and at church I ran into the wall and cut my forehead open.
And one more.
That's not true.
Yeah.
A blood flew through my nose, and came out my mouth.
Let's see. I hope that was not true.
Me either.